What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. Want to thank the Cruz crew for being subscribed and loyal to this channel. I'm in my AUDIOZONE. I haven't driven it for a few whiles, man, and truthfully I missed her, but I have to go get something done. It's been a long time coming. There's a mod that I've been trying to do to the car, but as you guys know, I am always so busy. So today I got a little break and I'm gonna take my car to go get modded. Shout out to A&B Mufflers over here in Grand Prairie, man. You can see most of the YouTubers here in the DFW area use them. Pricing is good, work is good, customer service is awesome. I actually refer a lot of people to them from the shop to be able to make sure that, you know, if I refer you somewhere, guys, if I put my name behind it, I'm sending you to somebody who I trust, somebody who I know that's gonna take care of you just like I would if you were in my store. Customer service is very important to me, and relationship with my customers is also very important. So long story short, I'm going to A&B today. They are going to be doing a modification to my car today, man, which is a long time coming. My wife's car, when we bought it, it already had it done, so she don't need it, but I need it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my way there right now. I just called. They have a little time slot open. I just left the shop in the middle of a little bit being busy, but you know, I can work all I want to, man, but if I don't take time for myself, I really don't take time for nothing, because it just can't all be working. I work very hard, guys, because it's important for me to serve you guys and take care of my clientele. It took many years of working on the shop and building the shop and organizing the shop and just putting systems in place and everything to make this shop to be where it is. God's also blessed us with this YouTube channel that has brought a lot of customers to the store also from all across the nation, and can't even tell you how grateful we are for that. So we're growing. And we're modifying our tactics and our ways of doing things to make it more faster, more efficient, and also more cleaner, more professional. We're just doing what we got to do to be able to serve you guys, man. So I was able to take a little break real quick and come and do something to my car, because God knows that I've been wanting to do it for a while. So I'm going to show y'all in a few minutes what we're doing, man. We're going to go out here to the shop and get them to do something to my car. But again, I just want to take this moment to thank you guys for subscribing, man. We're at over 8,000 subscribers, on our way to 10K. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Another guy just saying hi there, man. But, you know, stay focused, man. Stay positive. Do good by people. Do good by God. And the rest will always come back to you. So I'll be back in a few minutes because I got this phone call coming in. As I was vlogging and recording with you guys, my shop called me, and that's a very important call, man. But like I was telling you guys, man, it's important to do good so things can come back. God has blessed us dramatically. We have been growing in the shop every year. We have been growing every year. The business has grown more and grown more and grown more. And I'm gonna just keep on working hard. I'm trying now to get a good sales team in place so they could duplicate me and be, sorry about that, you can see how tired I am, but they could basically do what I do for you guys, take care of you guys, support you guys, love you guys, honor you guys, respect you guys, and give you guys great service. So that's what we're working on right now. But you know what I'm saying, stay focused, man. It's been a great thing for 2020. We've been dealing with the pandemic of the coronavirus, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been one of the scariest and craziest things I've ever seen in my life. Walking into places and seeing everybody with masks on, that's not normal. That's never been seen in my life. And then the fear of my mother, and my mother has problems with her lungs and stuff, you know. So my biggest concern is something happening to my mother. Her doctor, she went for a doctor visit. Her doctor told her, her doctor told her that if she were to get coronavirus, she has a great chance that she will not make it through. So I'm really worried for my mother and my father, man. But you know, like I said, I believe God's favor. But I want to bring something to your attention. Just because I know God protects you, I guarantee you God protects you, right? But you also have to do your part. That's the other thing, you know. An example, God will protect you. And we look in the Bible where Satan came to tempt Jesus in the mountain. And he told him, doesn't the Bible say that if you jump off that cliff, he will send his angels to protect you? Then God himself, Jesus said, the Bible also says, you shall not tempt your God. And this goes for you guys dealing with this COVID stuff, man. Don't tempt your God. Yes, God protects you, but you have to do your part. You know what I'm saying? Put your mask on. Take care of your family. Protect your hands. Clean your hands. Wash your hands. Sanitize. Keep your family safe. It's very important. All right, guys. So we're here at the A&B Mufflers over here in Grand Prairie, Texas, man. They're right in the corner of Main Street, basically 9 and Beltline. I got the AUDIOZONE in the building. I'm going to turn her on so y'all can hear her. He can about to turn it on in a second. Actually, he needs the keys. Hold on. But that's what she sounds like now. Give it a little gas. You guys, that's her right now. And should be continuing the upgrade that we're gonna do here at AB Mufflers in Grand Prairie, Texas. But y'all can get to see exactly what it can sound like when we get done with the next mod for the AUDIOZONE. Stay tuned for more. Cars in the building, bro. She is up in the air. As you can see, the AUDIOZONE is in the building. They're about to go. These right here are the resonators that come from factory. That right there is the mid mufflers that you see right there. They're about to delete the mid mufflers in this car and help it have a little more breathing capacity. So they're gonna be start cutting right now. As you can see, he's gonna start ripping this apart, and we should have victory in a few minutes. Parts are falling down here. The mufflers are mid mufflers are gone. You can see them here. Now we got straight pipe. They're gonna start milking their pipes and get this going. This is gonna be coming out here very shortly and see what the difference is gonna be on the car. Gonna help with the efficiency of the car, being able to breathe a little bit more out the exhaust. Supercharged cars have forced induction. So on factory they got catalytic converted mid pipes and the resonator in the back. I need the flow of air to be able to come out to make the car work more efficient. So I'm working on that right now and getting this done. I'm gonna actually buy a coarse exhaust or a board exhaust for the back that I wanna have. I just wanna do the quick mod to get it a feel for what it is I'm looking for, y'all. But they're doing their thing here. They're gonna get this rolling. I should have this out in a few minutes, be able to hear the difference, but I wanna see what I feel in the difference. It shouldn't be much immediately, but I guarantee that it will be in some time. So I'm gonna just keep on rolling with the AUDIOZONE behind me as they do what they have to do. My son got his car done here. My dad got his car done here. I got my car done here. Most of the people we know come here to A&B Mufflers here in GP, Texas, because they do it right, man. So he's over there welding all that, getting it all perfect and situated. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I liked it because he got the mufflers. He actually measured everything here to make sure that this one's gonna be perfect, exactly with this one, so it'll be an exact fit. And that's just about, man, when we're gonna get things done. He did it. That's why my car is here. I'm finicky with my car like most of y'all, man. And they're here. They did a great job so far. We're about to find out what the difference is going to be as far as sound goes, and then find out what the performance is going to be. It's not going to be a big game for performance, man, but it's a little something. And every little bit counts as you're trying to do what you got to do here with the AUDIOZONE. So we can keep y'all checking up and what's going on here to get this going. So this is Mr. George. This is the guy who worked on my vehicle here. He's got it all situated, putting the board so we don't hit the bodies or nothing when we come down. He's about to turn on the vehicle, and let's see what the difference was. So y'all got the before tone and the after tone, and see exactly what y'all think about this this here. I like my tips. I like them to stick out a little bit. I like that little detail there. But we're about to listen to it and see how it sounds like now, and get the AUDIOZONE out the road and go back to the shop. Let's hear it. So it's definitely a louder car. I like the way it sounds a lot. Should be coming out of the shop right now. We'll continue rolling a few. So I'm here back in the shop right now, guys, and just showing y'all what we got. Drew's, of course, here, his truck. We got Daddy's vet there. We got customers' cars all over the place, thank God. We got this one here. We got a boat that they're working on. We got Isaac's Mustang. We got the Roto-Rooter car here from the Roto-Rooters. We got motorcycles, Infinities, everything going on here. And we have all hands on deck here on this boat. We'll show y'all what they're doing up here as they get this bad boy rolling. So Drew is beginning to cut some holes in to get the speakers installed and getting these RGB lights flowing and rolling through. They're going to be doing this install to get this all done here on this beautiful pontoon boat. They're almost done. Drew, how's your day going today? Good. How you feel today, spiritually?
I'm very spiritually happy right now.
Why are you spiritually happy today?
I don't know.
What is the question you called me and asked me for yesterday in my house? What was it you told me that you wanted to know questions about? One
was that we're definitely living in end of times. There's no question about it. Everything that God said that's going to happen before he comes back is pretty much happened. There's only literally maybe one. Everybody's saying one card, maybe two cards left. I say we're close to 1 to 2 cards for real. And my thing is a lot of churches they're scared to preach to people about the end of times. And because people are scared to hear it. Well, the thing is people really needs to hear it because we're living in the end of times. They need to prepare themselves for the end of time. Don't be scared of it. Just when it happens, it happens.
I'm with you 100%, man. And what I truthfully is, I say you need to embrace the truth, and the truth is Jesus is coming soon, and I don't have a doubt in my mind whatsoever. The cards are there. He called me yesterday, very emotional, asking me some questions. Man, I thank God that I was able to study throughout my years and give him the answers he needed. But I do want to tell you, Jesus is coming sooner than what you guys think he's coming. And I see him awakening many hearts with questions and putting desires in their heart, because he ain't gonna give you guys a chance. And when it comes to that big screen TV and he shows you everything and all the time that he told you that he was coming soon and you didn't believe it and you have to deal with what you have to deal with, it is what it is, guys. But you know what? He is coming soon, so stay tuned. We're here at the shop, guys. I gotta put my mask on because, you know, coronavirus is what it is. Show y'all that we are still disabled as they keep on working on the shop. But I'm gonna just give you an update of what's going on. We had this one, we're doing an underglow in red only. We're doing an interior red. We got my son Isaac there rocking and rolling on that bad boy. I'll show you that one. And then we got this one. This is a 2016. We are modifying it to be a 2019. So we are changing the original grills and installing, as you can see, she's completely crazy right now, cleared out. But we are installing on this back a set of 2019 grills with the snorkels on it. So that's gonna be coming out of here very shortly. And then we also have this, which is coming out the building. We custom built a custom dash kit. It does not exist. You see this right now? Wait till y'all see in a few minutes. We're gonna do a TV install. You can see they're getting it done. Out of here by today, later on this afternoon, completely ready to go. Then we also have, guys, just showing you a little bit of what's going on in the shop. We have this Camaro that we're doing a system on a promo pack that we have installed. So we'll be installing a 210 package on that one there. Drew's about to bring it over here to make sure everything fits. But we should have this coming out here very shortly as we keep on rolling. Let me show y'all the front of the store. Hold on, Drew's calling me. So I'm gonna walk through the shop. We see we got everything mounted up and kind of stacked up. We are in a complete mess, so we have no room to work right now. But I'm gonna show y'all a little get up on the get up of what the shop is doing now. So we got the wood floors done, which if y'all been to the shop before, y'all see. But we got the new wood floors up. The display has been moved to location. Walls are painted today. They're gonna finish up that wall there. They prepped up, and we should be getting our count. Just give us a better working area to be able to take care of you guys when you guys come by the shop. But I'll keep y'all posted in a few minutes.
YouTube. Jeff always said I was trying to be an eagle. He was trying, you know what? I progressed to an eagle. I'm a true eagle right now. I'm a true eagle.
He over there doing. So yeah, anyway, man, we're here at the shop. We're still rolling and doing our thing. We'll be ending the day today. Pops is in a good mood, enjoying himself, having a great day. Angel up in the building. What you gotta say to YouTube today, Angel?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What is your YouTube channel?
BESTIE151.
BST15. Look at that. Now let's see what he got. What you got? 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 Give YouTube a little show. Give YouTube a little show. So let's see what he got, YouTube. YouTube, here goes the show. And Pop building y'all with his Z06, man. Let me get Angel, what is your YouTube channel?
BESTIE151.
151, that's your YouTube channel. All right, well that's Angel son, man. So hit him up and let him know you come from the AUDIOZONE. We are gonna now. This car is a Chevy Camaro. We're building a 210 system in here. This one should be out in a minute. The rolling guide and everything that we have here. Over here working right now, putting this bad boy together. You can see Mr. Drew is putting the steering wheel back on. We got Mr. Josh installing the custom fit Alpine flip down TV. And they will be installing this radio here very shortly too. So this will be coming out of this Infinity. We actually did this build. It's a custom build. I'll show you the fiberglass dash kit we made. We also installed for the customer some headlights for him that he needed. We got those done. We got the lower grill done for him. We also got the upper grill done for him, which I'll show you at the end of it. But this will be out in a few minutes, guys, and just keep y'all posted what's going on. But we'll show you another build that we have over here. We're doing right now is this Camaro. So we're gonna put 210s in the back of this Camaro here build. They already got the amp installed down there. They're gonna be cleaning up the wires and getting everything situated. This should be minutes, and we'll be rolling. So we got the bang in there, man. This is a Diablo brand, man. It's actually for the same people who sell Nemesis, but it's an entry-level kit, but it's not really good. So they got that situated there, really good. So this one should be good to go and be delivered very shortly, man. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, man. Y'all giving us a lot of support in this channel. Can't even believe it. They got an Infinity. They already got the Alpine flip down work there. They're working on that bad boy, and now they're finishing to rock this one out, and they should be out to go. Said, I want to truly take a moment to thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, man. Y'all be good and God bless.